Boomer's Checkup by Aaron Mack. Boomer was Calvin's frisky little dog. It was time for Boomer's checkup, so Calvin and his dad took him to the vet. "Don't worry, Boomer. I had a checkup too." First, the vet weighed Boomer. Boomer looked scared. He did not wag his tail. "Don't worry, Boomer. My doctor weighed me too." Do you see this purple chart up at the top? It shows that the doctor is checking his weight. It shows us next she's going to check his mouth. Next, the vet looked in Boomer's mouth. She checked his teeth and gums. "Looks good," she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. "Don't worry, Boomer. My doctor checked my mouth too." Then the vet looked in Boomer's eyes. She shined a light in each eye. "Looks good," she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. "Don't worry, Boomer. My doctor looked in my eyes too." Why do you think Boomer isn't wagging his tail? The vet looked in Boomer's ears next. "They look good," she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. "Don't worry, Boomer. My doctor looked in my ears too." Then the vet listened to Boomer's chest. She used a stethoscope. "Sounds good," she said, but Boomer did not wag his tail. "Don't worry, Boomer. My doctor listened to my chest too." Then Boomer held up his paw. The vet saw a thorn in his paw, and before Boomer even noticed, she pulled out the thorn. "Don't worry, Boomer. It will be okay." Finally, Boomer wagged his tail. Then he wagged it again and again and again. Good dog, Boomer. Why do you think Boomer started wagging his tail at the end? Now, I bet it felt a lot better to get that thorn out of his foot.